In Blackburn diocese, we have 190 Church of England schools, the vast majority of which are voluntary aided schools. So when the Church of England Synod passed its resolution in February 2020 that it would be zero carbon by 2030, that created a particular challenge for us as that resolution covered voluntary aided schools. It posed us some interesting questions. How do you retrofit decarbonise school buildings?
When I was asked about decarbonising the building, I was over the moon. I was delighted. A project of the size that we've had done would cost an awful amount of money. The funding that we were going to receive meant we could do it properly, thoroughly, and it's also something that we could teach the children whilst also making our building much more efficient. And I was delighted. I was over the moon to be approached to do this. The project has given us the opportunity, just at this point in time, as a starting point, as a platform to teach the children about how we can reduce our carbon footprint.
We've got to start planning the future, and part of that future is planning future houses, making sure that they have the power in order to source electric vehicles. We all know there's a problem. We all want to talk about it. Words are wonderful, but it will be actions that will make the difference.
At times there have been difficulties and there have been challenges, but we have managed to overcome them. If I've learnt anything from this project, it's that everything is expensive. Everything is disruptive, but at the end of the day, everything is possible. And so we have taken the first few steps of a journey that we all want to go on.